And today is gonna be, guys, welcome. And today, guys, is gonna be steering wheels. We have the classic Porsche steering wheels right here. We're gonna be restoring, guys. These are being work in the upholstery, and for us it's gonna be doing the steering wheels. This steering wheels, guys, has this particular stitch. It's called cross X. This one is a beautiful vehicle, guys. Unfortunately, I cannot show you the cars, but the steering wheels, we're gonna be grabbing this, and we're gonna be grabbing this other Porsche steering wheel. So these are the assignments, so we're gonna get hands on it. And guys, if you need some restoration for your steering wheel, you know, LeatherTeck, also under EM Upholstery Technology, we offer these fantastic service for restoration on your steering wheels. So make an inquiry, guys, like and subscribe so you can see the transformations of these masterpieces. Steering wheels are kind of a beautiful thing to do. It's handwork, guys, and it takes a lot of time to make one. Okay, I'll see you guys in the completion so you can admire how beautiful these steering wheels are going to be.
Tech loves where you're bound.